Hello everyone and welcome back to the Military One channel. The Argentine government plans to spend about $684 million on new fighter jets and building related infrastructure. The information, sourced from the Office of Defense Minister Jorge Tayana, with budget included in Decree 88/22 for the current year, calls for an allocation of $664 million to purchase combat aircraft, plus an additional $20 million for new infrastructure needed to support their operations. The relevant official defined the aircraft as a multi-role fighter jet equipped with an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, an in-flight refueling system compatible with tanker aircraft currently in the inventory of the Argentine Air Force, a tactical data link, and a warfare defense suite. Electronic. Aircraft with an open architecture design will be required to integrate weapons and systems of any origin, but legal requirements demand that no British-made or designed systems, subsystems, or components are in the aircraft purchased. The ban was aimed at easing pressure from Britain, which since the Falklands War in 1982 had restricted or banned the supply of parts and materials for military hardware to Argentina. British efforts have hampered the maintenance and operational capacity of platforms and weapons in Argentine inventories, and in recent years have played against the South American nation's options to buy second-hand Dassault Mirage F1, Saab Gripen and Korea Aerospace Industries FA-50 jets.